Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing only the essentials. Get enabled in Visual Studio and your GitHub account signed in. Once done, create a new repository on GitHub or decide to publish an existing project. In Visual Studio, add a proper. Git ignore for Visual Studio files and select Add to Source Control to initialize the local repository. Next, stage your solution and make the first commit. This gets you out of setup and into the actual version history quickly and reliably. Now you link local history to the remote. Either paste the GitHub repo URL as origin in the command line or use Visual Studio's publish dialog to connect. Make small, descriptive commits and create a feature branch when working on something non-trivial. This keeps history clear. When ready, push. Set the upstream with git push uorigin main or push from Visual Studio to establish tracking. If authentication is required, use a personal access token or SSH key. This secures the connection and to finish, verify your repository on GitHub. Confirm commits, branches, and the README display as expected. If a push is rejected, don't force blindly. Fetch and then git pull rebase or merge to reconcile remote changes, resolve conflicts, and then push again. Make sure authentication uses a personal access token or an SSH key if prompted. For large binaries, enable git LFS and add git attributes before committing. One key troubleshooting tip. If authentication keeps failing, regenerate a PAT and update your Visual Studio Credentials Manager.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.